Good afternoon all. Today we are going to see an important topic in metallurgy, which is known as ceramics. So ceramics is another non-metallic material, right? So here this not only a non-metallic material, here the ceramics is an inorganic material. This ceramics comes into the industrial application mainly as a part of insulator part, okay, mainly to cover the insulator part, right? So there are three ceramics what you are going to see: Al2O3, SiC and Xylon, okay?
So AlO3 means aluminium oxide. The properties of aluminium oxide are, it is widely used to cost effective ceramic materials. It has a high hardness, and also it has a chemical and thermal stability. It has very good electrical insulation. The density of the ceramic is very low. It has high strength and surface finish, and high thermal conductivity.
So coming to the applications, it is mainly used in the spark plug. As our friend said, it is in electrical installation. It is very good electrical, so it is used in a spark plug installation, and it is also used in a paint and filler and a catalyst. It is also as part of catalyst, and it is used in purification of water and so on. So.
So SiC ceramics, silicon carbon ceramics. While coming to carbon, we have
Silicon carbide.
carbon. So like once the carbide is in, the completely color will be black. So we can assume that once the silicon carbide will be higher in black. So once the color is black, there will be low density only compared to other materials. So because of the low density, there will be high strength. That's the thing which among these three ceramics, SiC is portraying to us. There will be low thermal expansion, heat thermal conductivity, high thickness, then high elastic modulus. So these were the properties of SiC. So while coming to applications, most of these high strength materials will be combined to the hard like heavy vehicles, automobile industries, aircraft, then steel production and graphite production. Then jewelry is also some of the jewelries these things were used also in cutting tools.
So added to the point in this SiC, you can see as a carbide comes into the picture, the strength of the particular element will get increased. If you add SiC to any element, it's its strength automatically going to reduce. So this is the main part, or this is the main thing which makes SiC to use in the automobile spare parts, where the high strength and as well as high strength is and high heat is staying components are used. For example, if you take disc brakes, where you are applying brakes, if you test the disc pads, it's getting heated. So where this is the place where the SiC comes into the picture, where strength is needed, and also we have to dissipate the more number of heat, right?
And the next ceramic is SLAN, silicon, aluminum, oxygen and nitrogen. These composition is known as SLAN. It's a type of ceramic. Those properties are, it's a low density. It has low density and high strength, superior thermal shock resistance. It is a fully thermal shock resistance and thermal resistance to moderate wear resistance. The wear, it doesn't get wear easily, and fracture toughness. It has high toughness, oxidation resistance. It doesn't get corroded like this.
Now we are going to see the applications of silicon, which is made up of silicon, aluminum, oxygen and nitrogen. While we making all these elements in a composition, we will get a silicon. So the applications will also be such effective while adding these elements. So the applications are automotive applications. Why we are using in automotive applications means the high strength, where and all high strength is needed, and also in a like metal forging tools, which has a high thermal properties in its resistance. So when we are using it in a forging operations, which is used in our industries where they are manufacturing using the forging things. And then next is it's an electrical insulation. The Cylon has its the insulation capacity, so it's also used in electrical supplies to insulate that, and also it's used in aerospace applications. So it has high strength and low density. Due to the density of an Cylon is low, it can be used in aerospace to reduce its weight weight, so that the aeroplane will get stabilized and then it can move with a low fuel itself. So it's mainly used there. And then the next is it's in major industries you are using ball bearings and all. Sails and bearings are used to manufacture these nylon materials to reduce such kind of weights, and they need some hardness in it, so that to increase the strength of the hardness is high in nylon. So they are using it to the bearings also.